Hi, I'm Miss Carly.
I'm Miss Silvana.
Welcome to our summer reading program, Tales and Tales. And we're ready to have fun with Activity 7 from our free Grab and Go activity kits.
A special thanks to our friends of the Buckeye Public Library for sponsoring these free kits. This week's theme is Animals of the Arizona Desert.
That's right. And the Sonoran Desert spans 120,000 square miles, including southwestern Arizona. It has a subtropical climate where parts can reach as hot as 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow,
That is
hot.
That is hot.
Yes. Animals that inhabit this area include desert Big Hom Sheep, mule deer, javelina, mountain lions, coyotes, runners, desert taurus, Gila monsters, lizards, snakes, just to name a few.
Yeah, those are some crazy animals right in our backyards. And this week we're going to show you guys how to make your own Coyote Sunset Silhouette.
That is so cute. The supplies you need this week from your kit are glue,
your Coyote Sunset Silhouette paper,
scissors,
watercolor paints,
and a cardstock, white cardstock.
So first, go ahead and grab your instruction packet and turn to page 20. And you'll find your instructions for your Coyote Sunset Silhouette there. First thing you'll need is your Coyote Sunset template, silhouette template. You're going to want to cut out the pieces so it looks like this. Just do the best you can cutting around the coyote and the cactus. If you need help from mom or dad, that's okay, they can help you. Once you've done that, you're going to take your white sheet of cardstock and then you're going to use your watercolor paints to paint a beautiful sunset. And this is where you can get creative and paint your sunset however you'd like. I painted mine like this. I started with the yellow sun and then moved into the orange and reds and purples. Turned out real nice, a little sunset.
Yeah.
Now you're ready to glue your coyote and cactus silhouette right on there. So you just take your glue, put some glue on the back there, and stick it on like this. And then what you've got is your Coyote Sunset Silhouette.
That is so pretty, Miss Carly. I love the colors.
Thank you.
So just be creative and use all the paints here and create any colors you want for your sunset.
Yes.
And here is a bonus challenge. Using your Coyote Sunset Silhouette, create your own short tale about a coyote explaining why he's howling at the beautiful desert sunset.
That's right. That sounds like a great idea.
Yeah.
Once you've completed your activity, take a photo of your project and email it to library@buckeyeaz.gov to earn 15 points towards your end of summer reading goal of 1,000 points so you can earn prizes. Or you can bring it into the library or bookmobile to earn 25 points.
Just for watching today's video, you get 20 points by entering the code above at maricopacountyreads.org.
That's right. And July is Parks and Rec Month, and the library would like to join in the celebration by offering bonus activities. This week, let's have fun with javelinas. Write a short story about a javelina that is afraid to go down the slide at the park.
Cool. Why is the javelina scared of the slide? Does the javelina learn that slides are fun?
Let's find out. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say.
Yeah, email us or bring your activity to earn the 25 bonus points.
That's right. We hope you guys had fun creating your Coyote Sunset Silhouette, and make sure to check out all of the activities in your packet about animals of the Arizona desert, including recommended books, definitions, reflection questions, games, and more. See you guys next week.